Guys, guess what car this is from the door handle. If you can guess, then I'll buy you a drink. Was you right? This is the new car. Needs a bit of a clean down there. Hopefully that'll come off. Let's just all go down the side. This side's all spot on. Got a scuff there. Hopefully that'll polish out, and a scuff down there. Apart from that side, that's good. Alloys are in good condition, they just need a good old clean. That's the only annoying bit on the car. That crease there. I'm looking to try and find a door, but trying to find a door for this car is a freaking nightmare. Because apparently this car is called yellow, but to me it looks totally green. This alloy is good. Tyres are all good. Bit of curbing around there, but that's nothing major. Got this little dent here, which should hopefully push out. Interior, dirty as usual, with every bloody car I end up getting, as you can see. State of all that. But once I've got my hands on it, I'll clean it all up. Nice centre console, nice and grim. Yummy. Down there. Bit of paperwork. I'll check all it out later. Probably got no bloody service issue in it because I never do. Let's open this up. Boot. Some junk as usual. Any spare wheel? There's a spare wheel on the bottom. Probably under here, isn't it? No, doesn't have a spare wheel. No, these don't come with spare wheels then. Right. Grim. So this is a 207 1.4 Sport. Don't know why it's a Sport. I suppose it's just got electric windows, electric mirrors, aircon. It's only done 64,000. Should we see if it starts? Find the key. It's joys of having loads of different keys. Never find what one's yours. Right, got the key. Make sure it's out here. Yeah. The battery's dead. Yeah, I have to put a boost pack on that, but I'll do that later anyway. It runs alright. It's just got, needs a bit of a polish on there. Yeah, that's basically it. All the tyres are all good. It's got no MOT, but it should go straight through because every single MOT, I was it's 09, so I've got 11 MOTs and every single one of them has passed. They've not failed. So it must be quite a good car, hopefully. So fingers crossed. What I'll do now is I'll crack on and give it a good old wash. It's going in for an MOT tomorrow. I've checked it all over, I can't find anything wrong with it. All the lights are all working, all tyres are all good, drives lovely. So once I've done that, I'll let you know how it gets on. And obviously I need to clean it all out, hoover it. I'll give it a quick wash and a quick hoover. I won't do it fancy, I'll just do it for the MOT. Guys, look at that. Looks like an actual new wheel, doesn't it? Apart from the middle bit, which won't come out. So now, another 3 more to go. Alright, all the wheels are done. One there, one there, and then that one, and then obviously that one as well. So now I'm going to see if I can polish some of this out, just with a bit of polish. Just try and polish that out. Don't know if I'm going to polish that out though, because of the state of that. But you never know. So let's just see. Get a little bit of wet and dry on it, and fingers crossed. Let's try a bit of wet and dry on the worst bit first. Seems to be coming off. I'm only using the 1500 because I don't want to go mad. that out, guys. Obviously it was there. Once that's all polished up, you won't even notice that. And then wicked. See what else we can find, guys. Here it is, all washed. See the dent more now. Much cleaner. Our beef is still sitting there. It's going for the MOT this week, so that'll be up for sale soon because it's all up and running and working perfectly. So next job, this will do for just, it's only for, I've only cleaned it quickly for the MOT. So now I best quickly hoover this out, just so it's a bit tidier. I'm not going to go mad until once it's past MOT. I'll give it a proper polish, clean, inside out, doors, you name it, interior shampooed, washed. But just for this video now, I thought I'd just show you the car, what I've done, what I'm doing to it so far. And just basically prepping it for the MOT really. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you later, bye.